Hello, this is me, a plant scientist, and you are watching Botany Matters. In this video, I will introduce you to the amazing field of botany. Botany. Does this term sounds familiar to you? If not, then let me simplify this term for you. Botany is a field of natural sciences which is also known as plant science or plant biology. Means this field is actually concerned with the study of plants. Botany is related to every aspect of life like agriculture, food industry, textile industry and pharmaceutical industry and whatnot. Like in healthcare, the study of plants contribute to the development of new medicines and treatments of various diseases. And if we talk about the field of agriculture, then botany helps farmers use optimum planting and cultivation techniques to improve their crop efficiency. Despite of the importance of botany, sadly, there has been a decline of interest seen in students in recent years. But now the question is that why students are taking this field for granted. At first glance, plants seems a little boring to students, and they might not ignite their compassion like animals. Students think plants don't talk, they don't even move. But let me clear out this misconception for you. To your surprise, plants exhibit the same senses as human does, like the sense of touch, sight, smell, hear and taste. Plants can communicate, but their way of communication is different and a slight quieter than animals. They usually communicate by releasing chemicals to warn each other about danger. And let me expand this a bit. Several recent studies showed that plants are capable of vision and may have something similar to human eye like called ocelli, which are basically photoreceptors. These sensitive receptors in their bodies help them to differentiate between red and blue light. And plants can even see wavelength that humans and animals cannot see, like in the far red and ultraviolet part of the spectrum. Above all, the knowledge of plants is important to study because we all are dependent on them. So, do not take them for granted. Now it's time to discuss some perks of being a botanist. Traveling. Mainly, the love for outdoors is a common reason people look for career related to botany. Botanists often get chances to travel different geographic locations around the world to interact with plants and to explore a variety of landscapes. Botanists even have to work at unusual places for months and even years depending on the project demand. So, this is a perfect field for adventure seekers. Second amazing perk of this field is for nature and tech lovers. Botanists, especially those working in food sciences and healthcare, get to work with some of the most advanced technologies available, like top level microscopes, digital imaging technology, and satellite imaging are amongst the type of equipment commonly used by botanists. This is just a glimpse. Actually, the field of botany holds limitless hidden treasures. Are you now interested in adopting botany as a career? If yes, then let me know in the comment sections below. If you liked this video, then hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel, Botany Matters.